Nah.
Hi again. We're drunk. One more time. You want McDonald's? You want it? Eat. Eat, wait. Good for you. Look, you left out half of the hamburger. That's my fingernail.
It's a pickle. My sister. Oh my god, look at her face. My sister, right about now, she's yelling down into the vent, and we have a renter downstairs. She's crazy. And my sister is yelling down there, and she's like, Saucy, poulet.
No, we just got food off this fast food restaurant.
She's gonna do voodoo.
No.
Voodoo.
I do the hoodoo like you do. So no, listen.
Give us all that there.
Okay, so I read the package off of this one fucking it's fucking burger. The actual burger donut on me. So yeah, I'm just talking about one thing alone.
Sour picks.
So yeah, burger and boobs. Burger and boobs. No, okay. So I was reading the mayonnaise package of this one thing, and it was saying that how whatever. What it said in French was sauce poulet. In my country, that means saucy poussé. Where's the burger gun? Where's the donut gun? You ain't tell me burger. Give me a good burger. Give me a big burger. Give me.
I'm getting a sack for fucking 99 cents for. How much?
Yes, I paid $1.99.
$1. Ow. That hurts. $1.99 for a burger. I just got.
Okay, next time